Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold. Market opens up here in 6 minutes. I will keep you updated. You got to be kidding me. I thought I hit record, but I didn't. So let me go over my spiel again. Darn it, I thought I had all those things covered. Well, anyways, I bought it 94.51 under the premise, you know what, this thing's got to be breaking 95 because there's just so much hype and stuff out there. And sure enough, it did. So I scaled out 100 at 95.22. And then the remainder at 95.69, just because, like I said, watching level 2s when I first bought, they were very strong, but that would be expected when you know the overall context out there. Very hype-ish, very pumpish, whatever you want to call it. So I like the chances of it breaking 95, but I also felt, 95 is probably going to be relatively temporary. So that's where I took my profits on the way up. I didn't maximize it totally, but I mean, it was moving quick. So, and here I was sitting here talking, thinking you had caught both of these sells, but I apparently didn't hit the unpause button. So I'm going to try to catch some more. We'll see what happens with it. I will keep you updated. Going for some shares at 94.80. Not going to go for a huge move if I get those. So we'll see if it can pull back there. That's right around this area here. It is very bullish, like I said, very hype-ish out there right now. But at the same time, you need to be somewhat careful because at some point this hype is gonna run out. But that's why I just don't feel comfortable buying up here. So we'll see what happens. But right now I do have an order in, just 100 shares. That way, if I need to scale in, I can. But that's currently what I'm watching. Well, it broke 96, so now I'm kind of sitting at that breakout point. See if it wants to retest and then head back up. So it did, and now let's see if it can head back upwards. Again, just 100 shares. So if I need to, I can, pick up a little bit more shares. The overall context is bullish. How high did that actually go? Up is 45. So I still like my potential exit point right now. But like I said, if I need to buy some more, I will. I don't have a problem, accumulating here during this little dip. So let's see what happens. I will keep you updated. Okay, I picked up some more at 96.24, so my average is 95.62. So, like I said, still bullish environment. So I'll try to do a little risk mitigation there at 75 if it can get up there. So let's see if this bounce can continue. So clearly, if this 50 area here on level 2 seems to be a little bit of a resistance right now, but a 50 can fall. I like the chances of it to pop up there very nicely. So we shall see if it can break through that 50 area. So it's hovering around here. See if I can pick up some shares down around the pull back some more. Try to go for 200 more. So I got those. Now my average is 95.14. Going for another 200 at 94.35. Got those. 94.87. So again, I don't have a problem, averaging down into this because it is a bullish overall context. So let's see if it can bounce back up a little bit and at least get back over 95. So got some shares out there at 95. or 94.9. I should see if it can pop back up there at all. So there, got those ones out. And let's see if I can get those out at 10. And I did, so there we go. Another nice little trade. Not quite sure how much I made there, but now up 272. Like I said, bought up there, didn't quite work out. However, you know, there's no doubt about it. This pullback here was bullish. Now, had things really started to collapse here, I would have just, you know, bowed out of the trade. You know, because that would have been broken below those lows, but it didn't. It was you know, a pullback within a bullish overhyped context, so it bounced back up and it worked out well. So let's see if I can catch some more trades here. Okay, going for some shares at 94.10, which would be basically the bottom of this area here. So let's see if it can pull back down there and get some. I will keep you updated. You know, I got in here and seeing this candle that has formed, I'm not liking my entry point. So if it wants to bounce back up, I'm going to just try to get out with a break even or a small little win. So let's see what happens here with it. Started to break out and then it just pretty much failed there on me. You know, only went in with 100 shares just because I'm trying to control risk with just my position size. You know, I'm off to a very nice start on the morning. So, you know, I don't want to do anything stupid. I don't know if I've ever, I'm sure I've traded at some point, but it's been a long time, so I really have no familiarity with kind of how it trades, how it ebbs and flows and all that sort of stuff. So, you know, just watching level 2s right now, you know, I'll be honest and admit, not real quite sure. This is kind of a tough one. So I want out. I'm just going to take an $11 loss there. That was just, and it very well may bounce, but I'm just not feeling it. The level 2s is kind of a little goofy on this one, so I'm just going to move on. I'll take an $11 loss, nothing I can't recover from. So let's see what else I can find. Going for some share there. Got those at 37 or 38.75. We'll now look to scale out in just 100 share lots. Going to go for a couple quick scores here at 82 and 85 if I can get those, just to kind of mitigate my risk here a little bit. Again, bullish overall context, so if it wants to pull back some more, I don't have any problem, you know, accumulating a little bit bigger of a position here. But, I mean, no doubt about it, this has made a big move, so this is now just some profit taking, so I'm trying to, you know, build this position while kind of other people are panicking. But who knows, maybe they're right and I'm wrong in picking up those shares. We are going to find out, but, you know, based off the chart, I like my entry point, so we'll see what happens. I'd like to try to keep this under 10 minutes, so I will pause it and let you know if it looks like I'm going to buy some more shares or get sell out on some of my gains. All right, well, I'm giving back my gains at this point. This pullback just started to get out of control. You know, I brought my average down, and you know, I ended up selling for a $127 loss. May bounce back up, but oh well, still green on the day, but no doubt about it. Giving back some of my gains, but I'm not going to give them back. I'm still going to keep the losses small. So let's see if I can find another trade. All right, I'm just going to wrap this up. We'll keep it. It is 10 o'clock Eastern time. So started off very strong and then took some losses, but you know, with that, I'm still up green. I still have what, 6 hours left in the trading day, so plenty of time to build on my 143 that I am up right now. But hey, losing happens as long as you don't let things get out of control. You know, then that's just the way it goes. And yeah, I mean, I have no problem showing losers because that is a realistic part, unlike some people out there that seem to only have winning trades. I have no problem showing, hey, yeah, I have losing trades, and that's part of the game. So just trying to keep things as realistic as possible for you watching this video. Anyways, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, candlesticks, level 2s, go to claytrader.com, check out the training section, offer multiple courses. Also have Clay Trader University. That's where I bundle all the courses together and offer at a massive discount. And then you also have access to the live webinars I do, case study videos, all sorts of stuff. Lifetime membership to my trading group where we have a chat room and all that good stuff. So check out Clay Trader University if you're looking to kind of buy in bulk and save, and then give yourself access to everything I have to offer. But at the end of the day, don't take my word for it. I will be the first to admit I am biased. So read some of the third testimonials. Those are truly third party. They are all unsolicited, uncompensated. I have no problem saying that. So those are truly a good third party perspective. And then finally, if you watch this video, found it helpful, want me to keep making them, if you're watching this on YouTube, please click the like button down below. If you're watching this on claytrader.com, please click that share button up above. Little things like that really do go a long way. So thank you for watching. Remember, trade without emotion.